Welcome back, everybody. Fox Body Garage. Okay, I installed the cam and the timing chain, and I determined top dead center. Okay, I'm gonna try to explain this to you so everybody understands how to do it. I'm degreeing the cam. It's the intake centerline method. Okay, what you do is you put the piston stop. You put the piston stop here, screw it down so it hits the piston. You crank it one way. You crank the motor one way until it stops. You record the reading. When it hits the piston stop, you record the reading. Okay? When you crank the motor and it hits the piston stop, you record the reading on the wheel. Then you turn the motor the opposite direction, and when it hits the piston stop again, you record the reading. You add the two numbers together, which mine were where is it? Over here. And you add the two numbers together and you divide it. Then you take the piston stop off and you loosen this up, and then you put the degree wheel to TDC on your marker, which is just a coat hanger. Now you got true top dead center. Now you got your wheel on TDC. Okay, let's get that going. TDC. Okay, true top dead center, TDC. Pistons at the top, true top dead center. We're at 0 TDC on the degree wheel. Now you take your dial indicator and you put it on the tip of the lifter, as you can see, right there, on the tip of the lifter. Okay? You go to your cam card, you look at your cam card, and you're looking for the intake center line, which is 109 at 50, okay? So what we do here is we watch the dial indicator to go to its highest point as it travels on the lifter, okay? We turn it, we turn it, we turn it until it goes all the way up. Okay, all the way, and then once it stops, okay, still going up, hold on. Okay, see, I moved it. I'm moving it and it's not moving. Now it just started moving. So now we're on the base circle of the camshaft. Okay, let me turn it back a little bit. The crank. Let's see if we could do this one-handed. All right, here's the crank. Turning it and it's not moving, right? Okay, fine. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it clockwise until 50 thousandths, okay? 50 thousandths. Okay? That's 50 thousandths. We're gonna make a recording on the wheel. Mine says 151, 2, 3. 153. We're gonna write that number down. 153. Okay, 153. Where are we gonna write it? Right here. It's actually 153 and a half. Okay? Okay. Now, we're gonna turn the motor in the opposite direction. Okay, and we're gonna go back to the base circle of the camshaft. Meaning, okay, see I'm turning it and it's not moving. Okay? Now we're gonna keep going 50 thousandths. And we're gonna stop at 50 again. Wherever that is. there. Okay? And we're going to record that. And we're at 60. Okay? So now we're going to write that number down. 60. 60. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 5 is 11. Carry the 1 is 213 and a half divided by 2. And that's going to be your intake center line. So this camshaft is a degree and a half off according to the cam card. The cam card says 109. It's coming in at 107 and a half. Now, could it be my little janky, Harbor Freight dial indicator? Could it be because the degree wheel is real small? Yeah, it could be. So I'm going to say a degree and a half. It's probably right. And my, tools with the degree wheel and the indicator is not, it's mostly because of the degree wheel. The degree wheel's too small. It's hard to get a real accurate reading. So for a degree and a half, it's coming in at 107 and a half, and we're looking for 109. I'm going to say that Ford cut the cam correctly, and we're good to go with further build. I also did piston to valve clearance with the clay method, and we came in at 110, 111 on the intake, and we had plenty on the exhaust that didn't even register. It was like 120,000 stick, so we're good there. So we're going to continue with the build, and we're good to go here. And Fox Body Garage update, how to degree your camshaft at home with basic, simple Harbor Freight junk tools. All right, everybody, enjoy your day. Have a good night and a better tomorrow. Once again, I just want to give my brother Slavic much love. He's missed every day. All right, buddy. Peace.